Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 14. This is Section 1.3, Problem 14. It says find the perimeter of the figure. So our figure looks a little bit like a rectangle with the right edge sort of turned into a slant. So the given information is 1,786 feet across the top, 2,109 feet down the slanted surface, 3,398 feet across the bottom, and 1,645 feet on the left side. So the question asks you to find the perimeter of this figure, and perimeter really means the distance all the way around, or the distance of all the edges added together. So you can start at any particular point you like and add the numbers together. So I will add 1,786 from the top plus 2,109 from the slanted edge plus 3,398 from the bottom, and finally plus 1,645 from the left edge. And I will add those numbers together. So I will start in the rightmost column, and I will add 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5. So 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus 8 is 28. So the 8 from the 28 goes under the column of digits that I just added, and the 2 from the 28 gets carried to the top of the next column of digits that I will add together. So next I will add 2 plus 8 plus 0 plus 9 plus 4. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 0 is still 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. The 3 from that 23 gets written under the column of digits that I just added together, and the 2 from the 23 gets carried to the next column of digits. And now for the next column, I will add 2 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. So the 9 from the 19 is written under the column of digits that I just added, and the 1 from the 19 gets carried to the top of the next column of digits that I have to add. So the final column of digits to add is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 more is 8. So I have an answer of 8,938. But to do a good job, you really should pay attention to the units of measure that are given in the problem and use the same units of measure when you give your answer. The units of measure that are given in the problem are feet. So my answer is in terms of feet. So the answer is the perimeter, or distance around the given figure, is 8,938 feet.